How to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. So the first step is by opening your WhatsApp and then go to that message or group message that you have. Do take note that this will only work if you have a current um message and not the older ones. So right here, I sent a message for about 7:26 p.m. and I have here 7:27 p.m. So you just simply press and hold on that image, or I mean text, and then click on delete, and then click on delete right here, and click on delete for everyone right here. Click on OK, and then as you can see, you deleted this message. However, if you want to delete a message that is too old already, what I would suggest is you change the time of your phone. So for example, I have here an old message, so I'll just change the date and time of that message and then redo the steps. So I mean, since I have now change the date and the time of my phone, I'll just simply press and hold in this message and then click on delete and delete it for everyone. So that's it. That's how you can delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.